All right, everybody. So today I'm going to be putting it all together. I'm going to be inside of the variant, and I'm going to be changing the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For many of you, this might be a session to skip. If you don't want to watch me write CSS and JavaScript, there's a little bit of a trick with JavaScript that you might want to see. Other than that, yes. So full disclaimer, this might not be worth your time, but I'm just going to go ahead and use all the data from the decision model and make this look nicer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an out-of-the-box modal to do so. First, I'm just going to go ahead and grab the stuff from the API. I'm going to need this. And we're going to go ahead and get rid of this. And I'm just going to use the out-of-the-box pop-up takeover. And I will just put that in there. Okay. All right. And then see if we got it. And no. Template transformation failed. Do I just need to... Why is it doing that? There's no decision model connected. How did that disappear? I swear I just had it. Okay. All right, so I don't know how that got removed from there, but okay, so here is all the data. And okay, so I have all the data from the decision model. And I am going to just change some of the CSS or the HTML. All right, we're going to want the title. We're not going to want this field right here. And then, oops. And I want to scroll left. Oh. Okay, I need to scroll left here without doing that. Okay. All right, so we have the title. And we are going to put in the rest of the stuff. All right. Not inside of the button wrapper. Come on. Okay. And then we're going to have we'll have an H4. Does this? H4. And this is going to be the title for the product. And then let's do a P tag, and we'll have the description. And then let's just we'll have the price for now. I say original price. Oops, not that one. It's going to be price. Okay. Let's do another one. It's going to be discounted price. And actually, this one is going to, we're just going to leave this one. This one's going to be done dynamically with the JavaScript. So I'm just going to give it ID called discounted price. All right. And actually, I'm going to wrap these in a div. Keeps doing that. Sorry, guys. And okay. And this div is for over here. This is not great for formatting. And then we're going to have a div for our image. Well, we don't need a div. I think we can just put the image tag. And source equals, source is going to equal to image. And alt will equal tag. Okay, let's preview this real quick, and then I'm going to show you the JavaScript for this one. It's not going to look great, but I just want to see that everything's there. Okay. All right, that's all my stuff. All right, so let's go into the JavaScript. No, not here. So this up here is applying a unique prefix to all the CSS, so it doesn't interfere with any of your existing CSS. Anyways, and then there's all the stuff for the modal. I'm just going to go down here and we're going to do discounted price. Well, I want to show you something first. Well, I'm going to show you just one thing first here. This is the part that is going to be most useful for you in the video, because it wasn't clear to me at first. So there's this variant object, and I'm just going to save and preview this. And you can see here that this is how you're going to access all the different values from your decision model. I was confused. I thought that I could just go here and copy path as JavaScript, but that did not. That's not working. So you have to go to the variant object and get it that way. All right, so count discounted price. Let's see what we have here. We have this, and then we have two attributes. We have % off and price off. So for this one, there is all right, so I'm going to do, it is variant.context decision offers, 0. No, actually, I'm going to do variant.context.price. Variant.context.price. So this is 13. And I'm going to multiply it by the percent off divided by 100. No, it's going to be 1 minus variant.context.decision offers 0 attributes percent off. In this case, it's going to be 0, but I'm just going to write the logic for if there's a percent off. This one has dollars off, not the percent. So 1 minus variant.context.decision offers first element dot attributes, is it? Dot attributes dot percent off. And divided by 100. All right. And then I'm going to take, it's going to be times that, and then it's going to be minus, also if there is a price off, minus variant dot context dot decision offers dot first element dot attributes dot price off. Okay. Actually, this is going to give me a negative number. In the decision model, I said $20 off, and it's a $13 product. $13 product. However, yeah, so I'll just have to change that in the decision model. It was a content editing mistake. But yeah, so let's just console log what discounted price is. It should be -7. Discounted price. It would be a minor miracle if I didn't screw up anything here, but let's see. Okay. All right. Yeah, I saw -7 there. Okay, so that is actually correct. It's -$7 as of now. I'll fix that at the end of the session. All right, and then we just need to inject that into. It is going to be called. It is discounted price. Oops. So document dot get element by ID. Dot text content and it's going to equal discounted price. All right, let's take a look at it. There you go, the discounted price. Actually, I want it to be, okay. Anyways, the rest of it's going to be CSS stuff. So you can hang out for that or you can drop off. But, oh, this needs to be, can I do a template literal here? All right. Okay, discounted price, -7. And just dollars. All right. So onto the CSS. I don't have Bootstrap or anything, so I'm just going to make this a flex box. So let's call it class equals well, this is already adding. Usually when I do it, I just make my own kind of prefix that makes it unique. But however, this JavaScript is adding a unique prefix to each class so that nothing gets interfered. It doesn't interfere with anything else on your website. So I don't have to try to be unique. I'm just going to say it is content container. All right. And then let's think of what else let's just do that. And you can see here that this is that ref here. So I'm just going to copy. This is the prefix I think they're talking about. Let's put it over here. And it's dot content container. And display flex. All right, so this should start looking a little bit nicer. Did not work. All right, dot content container. Content container. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. So why did that not work? Content container, display flex. Class content container. Let's take a look here. It didn't get picked up. Dot content container. I think I need a space here. Yep, that would be it. And I'm also going to put this image inside of a div so it doesn't look like that. Oh, come on. I'm too used to using VS Code. Okay, starting to look a little bit nicer. All right, a couple more things. We're just going to, okay, so let's go ahead and we'll just style from in here, it'll be faster. I want this to be font size 36. Way too big. Well, it looks like their style isn't working. It says 36 here. Let's see. I like 36, I think. And then this H4, I'm going to do 24. And then let's make it a little bit less. And then let's say this one. Let's do 14. Padding 0. And text align left. All right, and let's do margin 8 pixels and 0. Okay, and I'm going to go, let's go ahead and get these in. Copy all declarations. And I want this one as 20 pixels. And I'm going to say it is, oops, let's keep that like there. Let's do our H4. Font size. A lot of red. It's very distracting. 20 pixels. And let's just do another one of these. And let's make it, it is the p tag. And, right, no, was it? Yes, the p tag. And then let's, it is all that stuff. All right. All right. What else here? And okay, yeah. Well, the goal here isn't to make it super beautiful. This is pretty much good enough. We got to change something with the button here. Button. We're going to hard code this. C product. And then the href is going to have to be, I will need to send something else. I'm going to need to send the ID of that item in the experience response. So I'll do that offline. It's going to be products, and then it's going to be the item ID. But that's fine. I'll do that after. I think we're good. Let's just test it all out. All right. Well, I don't know what's up. Let's just pretend that these didn't happen. I don't know what that's about. Anyways, let's just try it out. Okay. Why is my text align not working? 1 second. Or the padding didn't come through. What's up with that? Padding 0. Text align. Okay, so there's an issue with that CSS snippet. Dot container p font size. What's wrong with this? Hmm. All right. Do you see anything wrong with this? I don't see anything wrong with this. Content container P. Content container P. Why is that not? Is it being overridden by somebody? It is being overridden. Okay. Theirs is more. They have more specificity than I do. Okay, so I have to override the specificity. Let's do. If I do, let's look at the HTML. Let's do. Okay. I'm sure this is very exciting for the 3 people who are watching me write the CSS right now. I have to override the specificity on that. And it was the overlay and then dot. Okay. All right, there we go. And let's start it up live and test it. I still have to add the link in, the correct link, but I'll do that later. Let's start it up. And where did my filter go? I had a filter that also got wiped out. Anyways, I don't know why some of my stuff got wiped out. All right, let's go to the site. Is this the real one? Nope, this is the real one. And I'm just going to clear cache. Sometimes on local, I need to do that. All right, a pop-up takeover. Oh, I forgot to change the title. I'll change that to something else. But for now, okay, so that was for perfume. Let's check out a phone, and let's add to cart. And then I'm going to clear the cart. And one thing I need to solve here is, and I mean, I'll do this in a future episode. This internal navigation is not working. I have an idea for that. I need to refresh. And there you go, the iPhone X. That was what the decision model is returning. Let's try a different category. Let's try some groceries. And okay. And we need some margin down here. That's okay. And I will do that offline. And this one also, some margin. But we have some rose petals. It's not a UX wonder, but that's not the whole point here. I'll add a little bit of polish, but I'm not going to try to make it super beautiful just for the demo. Anyways, I hope that was helpful. And I'm going to talk about that internal navigation issue after this.